Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Windows 11 search bar which is not working or responding in your computer. So let's get started. Okay, so the very first step that we need to do is you need to press Windows and R key together to open run, or you can simply do a right click here and go for run. Okay, so in this new window, just have to type services .msc and then click on OK to continue. So the moment you click on that, you will be redirected to the services window. Here you need to look for window search, and in order to find that easily, just click anywhere of these services or systems, then press W in your keyboard and look for window search. Okay, just have to scroll down and let's look for it. Okay. So you can see here Windows search next to Windows Remote Management. Once you find it, click it to mark and then do a right click and go for properties. Okay? So here you need to make sure that aligning the startup type under the general, it is an automatic delayed start default. Okay? Just have to click this down arrow to change and then click on apply and then okay. So once done, just have to do a right click again and go for start. And if the start button is grayed out, go for restart. Okay? So once you click on restart, just have to restart your computer and check if once you restarted your computer, check if your search bar is working. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's bound to the very important step, which is to go for Task Manager. How we can do that, at the start icon, do a right click and scroll up and select Task Manager. Click on it. So in the Task Manager window, just have to expand it first. Okay. So here you need to look for search or something search. Okay. So in case you don't see any of these apps, just have to look for background processes. Simply scroll down and then find search. Okay. So I can find it here next to runtime broker. Once you find it, do a right click and go for end task. Okay. So the moment you click on End Task, you just have to restart your computer and check if it works for you. If yes, then good. Okay. So those are the steps on how to fix your search bar in your Windows 11, which is not working in your computer. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.